Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing very well. So in previous video, you have learned the facts about the ants, such as how they pass the messages and greet each others, and where do they live, and what is the home of ant is called. And also you have got to know that the queen ant lay eggs in some of ant hill's rooms. So now to know more about the ant's life, let's continue this chapter. So look into your book. Others are nurseries for young ones called grubs. Workers have their reserved quarters. They spend most of their time searching for food. Some rooms are served as storehouses for these foods. Soldiers have separate barracks. So in previous video, I told you that in ant hill there are more than 100 rooms, and in some of those rooms the queen ant lays eggs. And also in that ant hill some rooms are used as nurseries for young ants. That is called grubs. Grub means the young and baby ant. And there is also word nurseries. So it is the place where young babies are new and small plants are looked after. So in the ant hill, there are some rooms where the young ant grubs are tended and looked after. And for other ants, such as workers, they have their separate rooms and spend most of their time to search food. It means most of the time workers walk here and there in search of food. And some rooms of the ant hill are used as a storeroom. As in these rooms, ants keep their food. There are some more rooms also in the ant hill reserved for soldiers. It means soldiers also have their separate barracks. Barrack means a building where military or soldiers live. So the worker and the military soldiers both have their separate rooms, and they live in their rooms. Now look into your book. No worker have ever tried to live in a soldier's house. No soldier have ever gone out searching for food. No worker or soldier or cleaner have ever harmed a grub. So you see, an ant's life is very peaceful. Each does its share of work intelligently and bravely, and never fights with other members of the group. So as I told you, every worker and soldiers have their separate rooms. So like this, every ant has its separate duty. And you know, each ant has separate rooms and duties, so no ant tries to interfere in others' work and duty. For example, no worker tries to live in soldier's house. And like this, no soldiers goes out in search of food, as it is not their duty. And either is it worker or soldier or cleaner, everyone take care of the young ants. They never harm the grubs. Every ant is sincere and careful about its duty and its limits. So they do their duties bravely and intelligently, and never interfere in others' works and duties, and don't fight each other. That's why their life is so peaceful and they live happily together. So this is the part 1 of this chapter. I hope it's very clear to you. Thank you very much for watching this video.